Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the fail to connect to the Sea of Thieves servers. Please check your connection. And guys, there is no one specific fix to fix this problem. I will show you the multiple method to fix this problem. You just need to apply them one by one and see which fixes your problem. First, go to the Windows set, type the proxy setting and open it. Here you just need to make sure the automatically detect setting is off and also the manual proxy setup is off, and you also need to make sure that you are not using any kind of VPN. After that guys, just go to the Windows set, then you can simply type the control panel and open it. And guys, once you open the control panel, you will see the network and internet. Just click on that. Click on the network and setting center, and on the left hand side click on the change adapter setting. Here you will see your Wi-Fi or your Ethernet, so right click on your connection, go to the properties. And now here guys, you just need to search for the Internet Protocol version 4. Just highlight this, go to its properties. Now we are going to change the DNS server. Click on the use the following DNS addresses, and in the preferred DNS type the 8888 and in the alternate type the 8844. And guys, this is the best Google DNS server. Then just simply click on the OK. Then just simply close it. The next step is go to the Windows server, type it the CMD and run as administrator. And guys, here you can simply type the command, which is the ipconfig and space forward slash and then flush DNS. Guys, once you type it, just hit the enter and it will give you the message like this: successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Then you can type the command, which is the netsh and space and winsock and reset. So guys, this is the command that you exactly need to type, and once you type it, just hit the enter, and then you just need to restart your PC, and after the restart your problem is fixed definitely. And guys, if your problem is still not fixed, you try all of the solution but nothing work, then you can go to the Windows set, type here the update and open it. And guys, here you just need to make sure that your Windows is updated. Click on the check for update, and if your Windows is unupdated, then just simply update your operating system. After that guys, just close it, then open up the Steam, go to your Steam library. If your problem is still not fixed, then click on the Sea of Thieves game. Click on the gear icon, go to your game properties and click on the installed files, and here click on the verify integrity of game files. Once you click on that, now this built-in function will start repairing your any corrupted files or any missing files. Then just simply click on the browse option on the top. Here you will see your Sea of Thieves game launcher. So right click on that and go to its properties. Go to the compatibility. Here you just need to check this box of the run the program as an administrator. Then just simply apply this and close this and just simply play the game and see your problem is fixed or not. And if your problem is still not fixed, then you can just simply uninstall the Sea of Thieves game on your PC. Once you uninstall it, then install it again. And I hope one of these solutions work for you, and if yes, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.